So my name is Nate Warren, and I am a outside sales representative for Xylem. Xylem has a very broad portfolio that partners with LA Sand's total goal for the next 16 years. That includes Wedeco, it includes flight-in pumps, it also includes Godwin pumps for bypassing and dewatering, among other brands such as MNet with their decision intelligence. So that's a very solid partnership with LA Sanitation.
My name is Fernando Gonzalez. I am the Terminal Island Water Reclamation Plant Manager. I've been holding this office for almost 2 years now. LA Sanitation and Environment is one of the largest departments in the city of Los Angeles. LA Sanitation and Environment oversees a collection treatment of all wastewater in the city of Los Angeles, which is about 600 acres. We serve about 4 million people, and we process about 450 million gallons of wastewater per day. The city of Los Angeles have embarked itself in an aggressive campaign to recycle every single drop of wastewater they get into their water reclamation plant. This one in particular is the first one to go 100%. Every drop of wastewater that gets into the headwork will go through the purification process.
Kevin Fliss, Business Development Manager here at Xylem. The most innovative thing about this is that never before UV and chlorine have been paired together for AOP, for potable water reuse, on this scale at a greenfield installation. And this is the first time that we've been able to accomplish that. And as a result, there's an opportunity to duplicate this and really expand the water reuse capabilities for the entire industry. I was first involved with the Terminal Island project back in 2012. My role was primarily as direct design support and applications expertise. We have a lot of different AOP offerings. We can offer ozone AOP with peroxide. We can offer UV AOP with peroxide, UV chlorine AOP as well, which is really the innovative solution that ultimately the customer ended up selecting. We were able to offer all three in a single containerized unit, and that was really crucial for this project to make sense on the piloting aspect from both a footprint and a monetary perspective. The reason being is that if you didn't have all of this self-contained in a single container, you would need 3 different assets operating in parallel, and that's a lot to manage. It's a lot to actually control, and it obviously takes up a lot of space and costs a lot of money. So fortunately, by Xylem partnering with LA Sand, we were able to get that single container on there, evaluate all of the different candidate AOPs, which was really important for them to make sure that they were making the right selection, both from a performance and a cost effectiveness perspective.
One of the biggest challenges when we started our normal purification process was the presence of bromine. Bromine is carcinogenic. It's a pollutant of concern for EPA. The threshold is very low. It's 10 parts per billion. But it's a good thing that in a very collaborative manner, Xylem and Wedeco, with our engineers, with our consultant friends, we were able to figure out the chemistry of the bromine formation inside the reactor. It was a very rewarding experience that Xylem stood up. They were part of the solution. They flew in people from Germany, from back east. I'm extremely grateful that we got into this business relationship with Wedeco and Xylem.
The key takeaway here is that, again, if it wasn't done here, it wouldn't be done anywhere else, and now we can duplicate it and generate more potable reuse, not just for the city of Los Angeles and the state of California, but the nation as a whole.